This is the Eagle CNC IO tube sizing machine with the GWS Tube Forming Solutions CNC retrofit.
We have a panel, you want to get the tag maybe, and we'll open up. And documentation up on top. Got a manual with it. And switchgear panel. Pretty straightforward. Power supply down low. I/O logic. PLC up high. And one motor starter for the hydraulics, which we're going to get to in a second. Well, currently running 480 volts. High voltage. It's on. This is my temporary lead-in right here. Water connection, I believe, for the chiller this is, if I'm not mistaken, so. See that okay? Oh, that's right, yeah. So the water, nothing down here. All we have up here really is dirt for the hydraulics. Take a look at that maybe. Pop that open. And the motor, yeah, there we go. Bar conditioning, cylinder. Tooling area up front here. We'll have to keep the cover closed. This switch does work for safety, so when you're done, let me know. We'll cover it back up again and we'll fire up the pump.
I'm done.
Okay. Do that. And let's see if I can find that switch. Oh, I might have got it. I think I did. There we go. Alright, so just want to roll in over here. I'm at an E-stop right now. We can get off E-stop, and before we fire up hydraulics, page through a couple of the main tooling pages here. That's tooling setup, expand angles up. We already got a program in there. It came with the machine, so back off, millimeter degrees on reduction and expansion. That's part of the setup feature. And go back to run. The next page is edit. And this shows the steps 1, 2, 3, all through 5. Again, reduction position, reduction percentage, speed, force. It's all in here, so just take a good look at that. Again, that's the same program that it came in with, called Seahawk, I guess, 1.1. And the next one is back to run and units. What is units again? Units is, well, it just shows the position. That's all we've got right there. So tooling, run. Oh, it's waiting for start. I don't have it on yet. So let me start up hydraulics. That's the main pages. Then we'll go into a manual mode, and I think I already home. Okay, there. Yep. It's waiting for start, but to go into manual, I can call for expand or reduce. And if I do that, these numbers will change, and it'll change over there too. So expansion is here. And you can see the numbers move and see inside there. That's that. And if we go over to reduce, same thing, the outer area here, plus minus. We should still be home, so if I go into to start, that'll put me to start position, and we can cycle. So if we go to start, hit the cycle switch once, and that'll set us up where we want to go here. Alright, now we want to go into auto and run a part. And run the first cycle with no parts? Sure, we're okay with that. Hit it once. Now we just ran a dry part, and now you can hit it as often as you want, and we'll run the part continuously just every time you hit it. And you can see it kept moving here. That was one part there. 5 steps, I think it was, so try that again. Pretty much it. Yep. You get both of them? Yeah. Good. Yeah, a little bit of movement there. for operator e-stop. We're good to go here. Foot pedal operation, of course, for the cycle start. If you got that in there, that's what we're doing. So